Happy Tuesday. It is May 19th, 2020. It's going to be a terrific Tuesday today. What you need to do today is you are going to check in with me and tell me how you are feeling today and how your day has started so far. You're going to read today. So you're going to actually be logging into iReady and completing an assignment on there, please. For math, log into iReady. And then you are going to be creating some different pictures using some tangrams. And those are things that we use when looking at shapes. And you probably will be familiar with them when you see them. Then you need to be logging into code.org today. I have a list of directions on how to get there. But if you remember, we go to the library page. You're going to scroll down where it says grade levels. Click on second grade. And then you'll see a big M pop up that says Mylan's Coding. You'll click on that, find your name, and then click on your picture that is your password. If you forget your password picture, just have your parents email me, or you can leave a comment on Google Classroom, and I will message you back right away and let you know what your password is, okay? And then you have to complete a special activity today, and then your terrific Tuesday is over. I will see you tomorrow, friends. Goodbye.